पहले तो फैमिली ऐसे ही चलता था ना कि कुछ वाइफ्स कंट्रीब्यूट करती थी। पहले क्या होता था, व्हाट आई हैव हर्ड इन माय चाइल्डहुड, वाइफ जो थी होती थी वो अपने हस्बैंड को कहती थी कि हमारा जो जेवर गहना है ना
जी करेक्ट,
इसको बेच दीजिए या गिरवी रख करके
करेक्ट।
एक जमीन ले लीजिए, जमीन का टुकड़ा ले लेते हैं और उस पर धीरे धीरे करके जब कमाएंगे तो बनाते जाएंगे कुछ।
That she was rather compelled to leave the house and that matrimonial relationship.
आप लोग दोनों मिल करके बताइए मुझे कि क्या इसमें नहीं, वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग लीगली इन दिस इशू।
Yes, yes. Lord, what could be done? The child is not ready to stay. The husband is not ready to stay. The wife is not now ready to stay because she got ready in the mediation, my lord.
Both of you talk to the child at least once and try to find out where is the problem, what has happened, matter has been resolved or
Mediation
not.
has failed, despite the best effort.
Mediation failed despite
Yes.
two senior lawyers at the bar being.
It's unfortunate, but it has failed. We tried our best, my lord. They are not ready to settle.
That's the difficulty. We are looking for mediation in these matters. So,
Probably we were understanding that they may not come together, reunite, but at least even as a one-time settlement or something could have been worked out. But it seems there was rigidity on certain
what are the
issues.
defects?
Lords, there I found today, my lords, there are 10, almost 10 defects, my lord. That can be removed, my lord.
Remove the defects. How much time?
Will, I think a week's time, my lord. 10
As
days. 10 days,
spread.
my lord. And let there be a date also fixed
2 weeks.
thereafter, my lord.
Date
So
will be
that,
fixed. Date to in every case we are putting it.
Lord, may I make a prayer, Lords? I'm firstly, Lords, this hard copy of the counter affidavit which has already been served, Lords, as a soft copy.
All right,
has
I'll
already
take
been.
it.
It may be kept
Okay.
on record.
As spread, you want 10 days?
My lords,
You want 10 days time?
10 days time.
I'm giving you 2 weeks.
जी,
ठीक है, लिखिए as spread 2 weeks time is granted to remove the defects. Full stop. If the defects stand removed, comma, list this matter under appropriate heading after 2 weeks on such and such date. Next, Ms. Shoni Srivastava, learned counsel for OP number, respond number 4 has filed a counter affidavit
Hard copy.
which is taken on the record. Filed बोल दिया तो
Lord,
which is taken on the
Lord,
record. Yes.
Lord, one more prayer. Lord, by my Lord's last order, 29/8/2022 passed in this case. Lord had given no coercive step. Lord, all that is, there is no objection to that. Lord, the only problem is that, Lord, there is a daughter of this respond number 4. And Lord, that is the main issue, that she is not even being, she's restrained even from talking to her. So in the meantime, Lord, whatever time is being taken for the case to be listed once again, Lord, at least one line that she
restrained her from talking.
Lord, she is not being allowed. Lord, when she makes a call, Lord, this is what the instruction she has from her client. Therefore, she is submitting this. I have a different instruction from my client, Lord. He says, even today he is sitting here in Patna. He says that the child does not want to talk to mother. I said that you must have polluted her mind. I was not on behalf of my client, my lord, while I was talking, because I can make out that a daughter who would refuse talking to her mother is a very rarest of rare case.
Yes.
But he says that she was left with the father and she is staying far off from last so many years. So that has developed. Now the child is growing. So we have no difficulty to do.
Child is only 4 years old.
No, the child is not 4 years old, my lord.
How
6
much?
years is now that they have separated.
Almost 12.
Almost 12.
12 years.
Yes.
12 years old.
So now she is grown up. The father says that on Deepavali I made it a point because the mediation had taken place. Although I don't go for mediation, but I went just, my lord, in order that so that they may settle down.
What can be done? Find out some ways and means so that she can at least have some dialogue with her daughter.
No, my lord, he said that I made her talk. I made her
No,
talk
he
on
should not
Deepavali.
be. He should not be there.
No, he said.
Why not that girl child should be taken to some counselor and there both the mother and the girl child be there.
My lord, initially I
Counselor can help
initiated.
them.
My lord, I
Lords, I would
initiated.
explain that is the reason. Rather, Lords, I had also made this query from the mother that how you have also been hard-hearted to leave your child. Plus, that is what then I got convinced by what she said, that she was rather compelled to leave the house and that matrimonial relationship.
No, but you are
And-
coming to this court after such a long time.
Yes, Lords, because
12 years your child is not with you.
Lords, I'll explain. Lords, I have explained
And
things
you
in my
know, after 12 years, the opinion of the child will be taken into
Lords,
consideration.
my lord will kindly bear with me.
Yes.
Lords, the earlier lords, she was allowed to, she was speaking to her child. She also used to take her to vacations. She used to be with her daughter. At least earlier they were allowing all these things to happen. But recently, Lords, after all these developments had taken place, Lord, now they stopped her. I don't know, we don't know, Lords, what happened, what transpired. Now the daughter is not being allowed to. Meeting is a very rare possibility, even on telephonic conversation, even that is not being allowed.
Do
And
one
Lords,
thing, I am with both of you
My lord.
for the benefit of the girl child.
My lord.
आप लोग दोनों मिल करके बताइए मुझे कि क्या इसमें
No, what
What
is
will be the
being-
way out?
My lords, what is being submitted? Let me presume it to be yes for a minute.
नहीं,
my
we
lord.
are not talking legally in this issue.
Yes,
Ji,
now
no,
not
let
at
us
all.
not talk legally.
It. Yes, therefore I said,
Ah.
Lord, let me presume it. Otherwise, my lord, my instruction is otherwise. But let me presume that what she is saying is correct because she is speaking on that instruction. Lord, what could be done? The child is not ready to stay. The husband is not ready to stay. The wife is not now ready to stay because she got ready in the mediation, my lord. When I convinced her, she got ready. But the they both are so much educated and working.
Should I request you one thing?
Ji,
You being a senior advocate, why don't you use your own wisdom?
ji.
Talk to the child and take your sister also with you. And both of you talk to the child at least once.
My lords, as my lord,
And try to find out where is the problem.
my lords, whenever is the next date, let me talk to her as it has fallen from my lord. But what I understand now, my lord, after talking to, I had the occasion of speaking to that informant also, my lord, in this case. What is there? That she left the child at the age of 6. She was left in the flat which she is banging upon. They have left with the child, the entire family, on rent. This is the position. A flat was purchased by the informant, some money of the husband also, most of the money of the wife and her father, but some contribution, I have the records, the contribution made. हमको पहला बार पता चला कि बॉम्बे में 35 लाख में भी फ्लैट मिलता है. I thought that it would be costing too high. But I have the records which says that only for 35 or 37 lakh that flat is there, and 7 lakh was for the registration and the other stamp and everything. So for the first time I come to know, but whatever, it was her money. 90, say 75%, 80% is her money, 15-20% is my money, that is in the account, that is visible. Now she, for whatever reason, either she forced or whatever was the reason, the entire family, the husband, his mother, father, and this child of 6 years, they left the house and they are staying in a rented house. Now this is the position. So whatever
पहले
she,
तो फैमिली ऐसे ही चलता था ना कि कुछ वाइफ्स कंट्रीब्यूट करती
तो
थी.
आज भी
कुछ-
चलता है.
पहले
आज
क्या
भी
होता
चलता
था, व्हाट आई हैव हर्ड इन माय चाइल्डहुड,
जी,
कि बहुत बार वाइफ जो थी होती थी वो अपने हस्बैंड को कहती थी, खास करके व्हेन दे यूज्ड टू माइग्रेट फ्रॉम विलेज
to
टू
urban areas.
अर्बन एरिया, कि साहब ये ठीक है, हमारा जो जेवर गहना है ना,
जी, करेक्ट,
तो इसको बेच दीजिए या गिरवी रख करके
करेक्ट.
एक जमीन ले लीजिए.
नहीं, और हुजूर जो
This
शादियां,
I have heard in my own family, I tell you.
हुजूर जो शादियां हुआ करती थी,
And father,
जी,
the male member who was the earning member of the family,
जी.
with that support, could muster courage कि ठीक है, चलो एक
जी, जी.
जमीन का टुकड़ा ले लेते हैं और उस पर धीरे धीरे करके जब कमाएंगे तो बनाते जाएंगे कुछ. तो अब तो सिचुएशन थोड़ा डिफरेंट हो गया, लेकिन वो 15-20% कंट्रीब्यूशन
जी.
फ्रॉम वन